Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I received a special gift. Well, to me special because it's big. It's pretty big, and I'm excited to receive it. I got it from Cactus Steve here on YouTube. Thank you so much. I still haven't pulled it all the way out. I just had to take a peek, and yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this big, beautiful. I'll put the name on the screen so you guys can know the name. He told me the name of it. It is beautiful. I have something smaller that looks similar. Maybe it's in the same family, but it's not as wide. It just, you know, it's just like thinner. It's a smaller version of it, I think. But yeah, this is really pretty. He got this. He got several cuttings from someone, I guess, that lives near him. I can't remember if it was a friend, but he showed me a picture of the original plant, and it produces a fruit, and it's a decent sized fruit, like the size of an apple. So I am excited to add this to my garden. Hopefully it will fruit for me one day. And here is another little seed. So cute. For now, I'm gonna pop these up in a small pot, and then as they get bigger, I will change them out. Right now, obviously, they have no roots. So once they are, you know, established and they have a good root system, I'll repot them again. This one is really, really cool. Look at that. So like crusted. It kind of looks crusted to me, but I mean, I think that's the way it kind of grows. But this might be like a little bit of crustacean right here, I think, in my opinion. I'm excited. Thank you so much. I think that's it. Yep. Okay, so I have a pot here, some terracotta pots ready to go. And I believe they're both the same size. Like I said, this is just temporary for now while they root. I have soil, Cactus Miracle Grow, the soil that I always use, and perlite and turquoise. So yeah, for this one, because it's pretty tall, I'm going to bury it like a decent amount, you know, so that it doesn't fall on me. Back here, I sent this is the second package that I received from Steve. I sent him a package. If you guys want to check the video out what I sent him, you guys can check it out. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, so nice for people to share their garden with me, so I'm excited. And they all have like a story. I mean, I have bad memory. I know I do. I do. A lot of things I can't remember. But I'll remember that someone. Well, I think I'm always gonna remember this. I know I'm bad with names, remembering names. Okay. This has been calloused over for a long time. The wound has healed for a long time. Steve told me that his are out in the open and they are rooting for him just fine. So I think I'm gonna also do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it out in the open and just hope for the best. Keep an eye on it because it's pretty big. So if it starts to rot, I should be able to catch it and then cut it and just start from scratch. But I don't think that that's gonna happen. I think that it's gonna root just fine. In the past, I've rooted big San Pedros, so I think it'll be fine. I really wish I can have like a beautiful desert looking tapestry. I think with some plants here in Florida is doable. Not all of them, but there is some that proven to been able to deal with the weather. So maybe in the future, way in the future, maybe I'll do something like that, but not now. But yeah, I know definitely I would like to do something like that. I wouldn't let them get any strong sun, definitely, because I wouldn't want to risk them burning. So I need to place them somewhere where they're just gonna get like some dappled light, good morning sun, and nothing too harsh. So I'm gonna think about that of where I'm gonna put it. And that's it, guys. Here it is. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Steve, for sharing these beauties with me. I appreciate them. And I know they're going to grow for me just like those plants that I sent you. They're going to grow beautifully and multiply. Thank you so much. Guys, you guys have a blessed day and go check Steve out. Bye.